Hey everyone, let's dive into the world of cloves and uncover some fascinating health benefits you might not know about. Cloves, these tiny aromatic flower buds, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health. First off, let's talk about their medicinal properties. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, which fight off oxidative stress and help protect your cells. They're also a great source of manganese, which is vital for bone health. Plus, they contain eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Now, how can you use cloves for different treatments? If you're dealing with a toothache, try placing a clove on the affected area. The eugenol in cloves has anesthetic properties that can help numb the pain. Another way to use cloves is for digestive issues. You can make a simple tea by boiling water with a few cloves, which can aid in reducing gas and bloating. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties. This means they can help fight off bacteria and viruses. So next time you have a sore throat, try gargling with clove water. It might just do the trick. But wait, there's more. Cloves can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that compounds in cloves can help increase the uptake of glucose into cells, making them especially beneficial for those managing diabetes. And here's an interesting fact. Did you know that cloves can act as a natural insect repellent? It's true, the strong aroma of cloves can keep those pesky bugs at bay. Just place a few cloves around the house or even carry them in your pocket when you're outdoors. On top of all these benefits, cloves can also support liver health, improve bone density, and boost the immune system by increasing white blood cell count. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on our health. Now, before you run to your kitchen to start using cloves and everything, remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are on medication. To sum it up, cloves are a powerhouse of health benefits. From relieving pain and aiding digestion to fighting bacteria and regulating blood sugar, these little buds are worth adding to your health routine. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and tricks.